Hey guys, I'm trying to set the mic up for free. You know people I'm showing now? First, go to the App Store. First, go here. First, I already have a gun, so I'm going to buy it. First,
that ball so hard I probably should have apologized and bought it a box of chocolates.
See, Dale, you believe and then you achieve.
I guess I believed a little, but I don't know. I think there was something more to it than that.
well,
Maybe you gave 110%, because Hank says that works too.
No, I only gave 70%. I was feeling kind of sick after I accidentally swallowed my chewing tobacco.
Amazing. You stumbled onto a lucky ritual.
There.
They all the greats had one. Joe DiMaggio would keep a penny in his shoe. Ty Cobb would be his valet.
we're free with it.
Attention, settlers. When the season started, no one gave this team much of a chance. And things looked pretty bleak when we lost Joe Jack because of...
Go here, guys.
We all know what happened at the Taco Bueno. But we never lost a step. Bob Jenkins joined the team, and to watch him in the outfield, you would have thought there was radar under that eye patch.
Okay, go down, guys.
And through it all, none of us stopped believing.
Wait, go here.
And that's why we're the first undefeated softball team in Arlen Rec League history.
Real stirring, Hank.
Go here, guys.
Listen, how'd you like to give a motivational talk in school tomorrow?
Go here, guys.
I'd be honored.
Hank,
Go here,
you just
guys.
had to
Now,
keep
go
it.
here.
Who thought a dove could do all
Go.
that to a man's face?
And so
No,
whether
no,
you
no, no.
eventually choose
No.
to career, customer
No.
service, or the military, try to do it the
No,
simple way.
what happened?
Perfect. Now, if I could
Wrong
have all
one.
the members of the baseball team, please
Wrong one,
stand,
wrong one,
I'd like
wrong
to tell
one,
you a
wrong
little
one,
story
wrong one.
about never giving up.
The baseball program's
Okay,
been
wrong
cut,
one.
Hank. Budget issues. Go on, Horn.
This is just wrong. Okay, if you were on the baseball team, I've got a message for you. Keep believing in yourselves.
How's that going to bring our baseball team back?
Well, it's,
Wrong one.
huh.
Please.
There's got to be some way to save the baseball program.
Well, let's see. You could attract new industry to Arlen and raise the tax base. I think you'd be great at attracting industry.
Yeah, but that could take months. Baseball season starts next week.
I've got it. We could play the Ace of Diamonds and his jewels. They take on local teams and use their crazy antics to raise money for charity.
Look at the ace. He's parked the unicycle and now he's on stilts.
Yep, I used these when I played for the San Francisco Jolly Green Giants. Ha ha! Now the ace has ditched his stilt and he's picked it from the outfield.
Even pitching from the outfield, Ace is still throwing smoke.
They say he used his fastball to send a bear to keep it from mauling a little girl.
Go here.
Looks like the
Go
ace
here.
has finally lost it. He wants the bases loaded. Well, I'm in
Go
quite
here.
a pickle here. I might as well have a sandwich with it.
You know, some mounts that are wired for it to make the Denver omelet.
I did this.
And a line drive right at the ace. He steps on the bag. Thanks the runner. It's an unassisted triple play. And as the winner of the game, the ace gets the prize money. Wait, oh my God, he's giving it to the other ring. Stay and notice how they
Okay, guys, and see this. Yes.
Unbelievable. Dr. Softball's number one philosopher.
No.
The ace
And do this
gets the
one.
last check to charity.
Peggy,
Go here.
Tom Landry Middle School is going to be on that tape someday.
Go here, guys.
I wonder if Kyle's really
There, I'm there.
how good they taste.
Go down,
Here
go
it is,
down.
team. Our league
Hold on, go down,
championship
go down.
trophy.
Go down, go down, go down, go down.
Wait a minute, there's a mistake. Right down here, what it should say is, to be continued. That's right, our dream season isn't over. We are going to play the Ace of Diamonds and his jewels.
Man, you talking
Cool.
about Ace of Diamonds, buddy? You got it, but dang it, about it down the White House, man. Playing Chicago Bar Freshwater, man.
Now, I think 10% of the day.
Mom, my
The
dad?
winner is the rest of Tom Landry Middle School.
Where's the bears outside?
We can bill it as the Battle of the Unbeaten. The 11-0 Peppers against the Aces' 239-game win streak.
239? Well, we couldn't stay undefeated forever. Pain is but a slow decay. Even this will pass away. That guess it'll be okay, because you'll have a giant catch.
Wait a second. Don't give up before we even hit the field. I think we can be the winner.
Hey, Karina! Karina! You know what the cameras you hold is for you. You know what the cameras you hold, and right here, and you get your phone. Except I have one in my phone.
Ball with an 8-year-old kid.
Loading. Oh, it takes forever.
Right? They want to be challenged. They're dying for someone to give them an actual game.
What a thrilling idea. David, pick up your slingshot. We're going to slay the A's.
Bob, I didn't expect that kind of spirit out of you, but by God, it's
Now, guys.
appreciated.
Now, guys, wait for it. So we have Minecraft Pocket Edition. Oh, bro, stop it.
On the next all-new episode of One Punch Man. So we're just having a practice round, right? Not planning for real?
Yes, but I want you to go all out.
Oh my God! No. What is it? Oh, so hard. That's so hard.
This fight game.
Oh, gonna burn my clothes. One Punch Man.
What makes Wendy's baked
Hey guys,
while other guys use frozen beef from far away?
go out.
Wendy's only serves
Get out.
from ranches close by.
Minecraft right there.
At 6 big Applewood